Hello everyone, I am Anurani, research scholar in Punjabi University Patiala under the supervision Professor Dr. Vishal Goyal in Punjabi University Patiala and co-supervisor Dr. Lalit Goyal, Associate Professor in DAV College Jalandhar. Today we will discuss on the topic Hamnosis Notation System. This notation system is used for writing signs. Let's have a look of contents. Under this outline today, we will be going to discuss these topics: Hamburg notation system, structure of Hamnosis, overview of hand shape symbols, hand orientation, palm orientation, location, movements, parentheses, two-handed sign, non-manual, signal, avatar animation, Hamnosis tool. Now, let's start with the introduction, but before start the introduction we should get familiar with the topic. Sign language is the three-dimensional visual spatial language used by hearing impaired people for communication. Unlike spoken language, sign language can only be expressed using gestures. For creating an automatic translation system from text to sign language, a writing notation system for sign language is required. Researchers have developed many writing notations for expressing the three-dimensional gesture into the written form. This written form can be used for translation system. Among many available writing notations, Hamnosis notation is best suitable till date to be used in translation system because this notation system has the provision to add the non-manual components like face expressions in the sign. Now starts with the introduction of Hamnosis notation system. Hamnosis is a notation system for writing signs. It was developed in 1984 at the University of Hamburg, Germany. This notation is rooted in the stock notation with more detail handling the non-manual components of the signs also. This was invented by those people who were in a group of normal and hearing impaired people. It uses phonetic transcription system to transcribe signing gestures. Around 200 symbols are available in this notation system to describe any sign, which are covering every hand shape gestures as a signing parameters that holds hand shape, orientation, locations and movements of the hand. The next is the structure of Hamnosis. The structure of this notation system consists of mainly four components. Symmetry operator in case both hands are used. Non-manual feature to describe the non-manual feature: eyebrow raise, eyes blinking, head movements, shoulder movements, lips movements, etc. Initial configuration contains a sequence of hand shape, hand orientation, palm orientation, location of hand, action or movements. Action or movements, the dynamic parts or movements of the hands. An advantage of Hamnosis notation system is that it is an international and can be used to write any sign language. This notation system was initially handwritten, but a machine readable Unicode is now available from the University of Hamburg. Overview of hand shape symbols. It consists of 12 standard forms of hand shapes, 6 basic hand shapes, 6 with thumb combinations, 3 thumb positions. This is a between operator, 5 bending operators, 5 identification of fingers, start from thumb to little finger, 6 finger parts. It represents the iconic symbol which are used to show hand gestures. There are so many types of symbols which belongs to the particular types. These all particular types we will be discuss in detail further. Hand shape include all the basic hands, finger shapes and their bending. This symbol corresponding to the image of hand gesture. The second picture represents the human gesture and the last one is animated character Luna. According to Amnos's tool, this symbol is known as a harm feast. If we want to show flat hand, then we will have to use this symbol. This symbol is called harm flat hand. The human gesture and the virtual character avatar Luna both represent same sign. If we want to show only second finger in range mode, then we will have to use harm finger 2 symbol. Harm finger 2 3, this symbol is harm finger 2 3. With the help of this symbol, we can show second and third finger in raise mode and the rest of the fingers in feast mode. And if we want to show second and third finger in spread mode, then we will have to use this symbol. This symbol is called harm finger 2 3 spread. If we want to show second, third, fourth and fifth finger in spread mode, then we will have to use this symbol. This symbol is known as harm finger 2 3 4 and 5. Now these are the iconic symbols, hand shapes with thumb combinations. This symbol is harm pinch 1 2. This means that only first thumb and second finger will be touch each other and the rest of the fingers in feast mode. Harm pinch all. This symbol is harm pinch all. In this, with the help of this symbol, all the fingers will be touched to thumb. Harm pinch first and second open. This means that only finger first and second finger will be touch each other and the rest of the fingers in open and spread mode. Harm C first and second. This symbol is harm C 1 2. This means that only finger second and thumb look like C alphabet and rest of the fingers in feast mode. Harm C all. This symbol is harm C all. By using this symbol, we can represent the same hand shape. All the fingers will be touch each other and the thumb is in more distance in open mode. This symbol is known as harm C open. In the hypnosis tool, we have a 3 thumb positions like a thumb in open mode, both mode, cross mode. This is a thumb open mode. This symbol is known as thumb both mode. Thumb same human gesture and virtual character avatar Luna. This symbol is known as harm thumb cross mode. This is a thumb symbol. this symbol, combination of two symbols. First is palm fist symbol and this is a thumb symbol. uh, Palm fist means fingers in fist mode, and this symbol is thumb in cross mode, so thumb will be in cross mode. These are the iconic symbols of the bending hand shapes. Now look at the picture. This symbol is flat palm flat hand symbol. This symbol represents flat hand, but we can make different shapes with the help of bending hand shapes. If we want to show a flat hand but in state mode, then we will have to use flat hand plus bending hand shape state mode. If we want to show the hand in flat mode but in bending shapes, so then we will have to use flat hand plus this operator, this symbol. This symbol is known as palm finger hooked mode. There are two symbols. First is flat hand. Hand is in a flat mode. But why using this symbol? This symbol is known as a hooked mode, palm finger hooked mode. With the help of this symbol, flat hand will be shown in hooked mode. All the fingers will be shown in hooked mode. The iconic symbols of the flat hand. This is the same flat hand in state mode. Now if we want to show only fingers in state mode, then we can show these signs with the help of this state mode. In this picture, second and third finger in state mode and the rest of the fingers in fist mode and thumb in open mode. So here second and third finger and thumb in open mode, but second and third finger in state mode. So on the above second and third finger, this symbol is used, state mode symbol is used, and the rest of the fingers in fist mode. And if we want to show the first and the second finger in flat mode, then we will have to use palm C 1 2 plus this symbol. This symbol is palm state mode symbol. And if we want to show this symbol in state mode, then we will have to use palm C all. This symbol is palm C all plus this flat mode symbol, or we can say that flat or state mode symbol. Now look at the finger parts. The identification of the finger parts is necessary for a few uncommon hand shapes where the exact point of contact between two fingers must be determined. The following symbols represents the various finger locations, like this symbol. This symbol is fingertip, fingernail, finger pad, middle joint, base of finger, side of finger. Fingers specifications. The fingers are numbers from 1 means thumb, to 5 means fifth finger means little finger. This symbol is palm finger 2 plus this is a thumb symbol. Now here thumb is in a cross mode. Only second finger in up bar direction in a raised mode, and the rest of the fingers in a fist mode and the thumb in cross mode. And if we want to show fifth finger, we want to show fifth finger in upward direction in raised mode and the rest of the fingers in open mode, then we will have to specify the number. Look at here. Here we mention 5 number. That means that we want to show only fifth finger in upper direction in raised mode, and the rest of the fingers is now fist mode. And this is a thumb symbol, thumb in cross mode. And if we want to show only fourth finger in upward direction in raised mode, and then we will have to write 4 number. This symbol is palm, finger 2, 3 spread, and this is a thumb symbol. But if we want to show second and fifth finger in raised mode, then we will have to specify the number second and fifth. And this is the thumb symbol in open mode. Here we did not specify any number, so that's why only is second and third finger in spread mode plus thumb in open mode. If we want to show second and fourth finger in raised mode, then we will have to write here second and fourth finger. Derivation of particular hand shapes. This is a flat hand, all the fingers in spread mode. But if we want to bend or hooked particular finger, then we can do this by using the bending symbols. Look at the picture. This is a flat hand. If we want to bending any fingers, then we will have to write flat hand plus the finger number with bending hand shape symbols. Thumb combinations with selected fingers. Here Ham C 1 2. This symbol is Ham C 1 2. This means that only thumb will be touched to second finger. This symbol means only second and third finger will be touched to thumb, and the rest of the fingers in fist mode. Crossing fingers. Crossing fingers are noted with the finger numbers, lower finger first, and the finger parts where the upper finger meets the lower finger. Like this symbol is known as a fingertip. Crossing finger. Here this is a lower finger and this is the upper finger. This symbol is second finger and third finger, and this is the thumb in cross mode. Now look at the picture. Luna, second finger crossed by upper finger, third finger. Hand orientation. 3D data is split up into two parameters: extended finger base orientation. This defines the orientation of hand axis. Palm base orientation defines the hand according to hand axis. Extended finger direction. The extended finger orientation corresponding to the direction of the vector originating at the wrist, running along the length of the back of hand and continue in direction pointed to by the fingers when fully extended. Determining the extended finger orientation may be difficult for those signs in which all fingers are bent in some way. In such cases, the extended finger orientation is the direction of the fingers if they were forced to fully extended. Now these are the hand orientation, or we can say that extended finger direction: up direction, down direction, left, right. These are the 8 directions, and this is the front and forward direction. This is the behind and backward direction. These are the 45-degree angles direction: up and backward 45 degree, This is the down and backward 45 degree. This is up and forward 45 degree. Down and forward 45 degree. Palm orientation. The orientation of the palm can take 8 different values, each indicating an orientation of the palm corresponding to extended finger direction. That is, for example, the direction of the base of index finger is forward. The palm can be up, down, left, right, or to any of 4 orientation intermediate between them. Determining the palm orientation is a two-part process. First, one must find and move the hand to the appropriate basic position. Then select the symbol which best describe the palm orientation. The basic position of sign is easily derived from extended finger direction. These are the symbols of palm orientation, and the dark side of the symbol corresponding to the palm. This column represents the extended finger direction, and this column represents the palm orientation. Here palm is in upside, palm up, palm left, but direction is forward. Palm left side toward the body, and palm is upward direction and palm left. This symbol is upward direction and this symbol is forward direction. Here are some examples that specify the direction and the palm orientation. Now look at the example here. This is the extended finger direction and this is the palm orientation. This symbol is known as a forward direction. Hand is a forward but palm is down. Here palm is down but hand is upward direction. Here is palm is hand in upward direction but palm to the left. Hand location. The avatar signs, then the hand can be placed at different parts of the body and different distance from the body. The location of hand can be at the position of nose, mouth, neck, chin, forehead, shoulder, chest, teeth, eyebrow, eyes, etc. When no specified location is selected, then by default the location of the hand in the front of stump. These are the symbols like behind the body. Location is behind the body. Contact with the body parts, touch symbol, and this is the maximum distances. This is specify left, this symbol is mouth, teeth, and if we want to specify the location left to mouth, then this symbol used. If we want to show the location left side of the mouth, then we will have to use a dark symbol, this symbol, and center of, and this is the right side of and right to. Similar all for these locations. For the trunk, like top of shoulder, shoulder line, breast line, belly line. Look at this example. This is specify initial configuration, hand shape, only second finger and thumb in open mode. This is a hand orientation in upward direction. This is the palm orientation. Location is a forehead. This is the touch symbol, and this is specify the number of the finger. Here we specify 1. This means that thumb will be touched to forehead. In this picture, thumb touch forehead. Intermediate position. We may transcribe any intermediate position between two defined either by symbol between two symbols. This operator is known as between operator. Here example, arm shoulder. middle, and with the this of this symbol in the left side, but with this means between operator, between middle to left side. This is a between position. Movements can be absolute movements, relative movements, path movements, in place movements, non-manual movements, etc. But the relative movements means that target is not fixed. It depends upon the size and direction of the movements. In the case of absolute movements, the target movement is known, and hand movements in hypnosis are like straight, curve, wavy, zigzag, circular, spiral movements, etc. Hypnosis symbols for movements. This is a formal look out of the movements of the tool. This is a direction of movements, like upward direction, left direction, 45-degree direction. And these are the curve movements, wave, zigzag movements. Here specify the size of the movements. Circular movements, ellipsis movements, state movements. The movements can be performed in the 26 different directions outlined above for the axis of the hand. Hypnosis for a movements in a straight line corresponding to upward and forward. Straight movements can be either parallel to the body or with the reference to the body, as shown in this figure. The straight movements upper direction, down direction, left right direction, forward direction, back direction, upward direction 45-degree, downward 45-degree. Curve movements. The curve movements are described by two symbols and arrow to point out the straight line of the movements from the source to destination, and arc sign to indicate the direction of curve. Signs of the size define the length of the movements. Signs of arc define the direction, the arc degree. These four curve movements. This symbol is curve movements, and this is a direction of the movements. In these pictures show the movements of the earth. There are four types of curve movements. Direction of the curves. These are the four curve movements, and here in this column is shown the movements types, like these are the up direction, down direction, and this is the forward direction. Wavy and zigzag movements. We specify the direction of the movements. This is the wave and zigzag movements. Specify right or left, and this is specify above and below or below. Circular movements. Circular movements are the being in three-dimensional and three-plane circular motions are possible. These movements can be in horizontal plane, vertical plane, or vertical in a plane perpendicular to the person. Furthermore, we can define the intermediate planes between them. For each of the circular movements described can define a direction of rotation or the opposite. We can also set the point of circle in which movements begin and the points where it ends. These all are the circular movements. Ellipses. These are the four symbols of ellipses. Ellipses can be described by introducing these symbols. These are four symbols, ellipses symbols, after the symbol of circular movements. Look at the example of expression. This is the circular movements, and this is the ellipses movements. Repetition of movements. If we want to show same movements again and again, then we don't need to write coding again and again. we can use only this symbol. With the help of this symbol, we can repeat the movement again. But if we want to show the same movement two times, then we will have to use this operator two times. And if we want to show the same movements a couple of times, then we will have to use this symbol. And sometimes we want to show the same movements, but we want movements start where the first movements end, then we will have to use this symbol. Sometimes we want to repeat a movement but couple of time, and each iteration start where the previous end, like movements start here and then end, start and start and start end, then we will have to use this symbol. And if we want to show the movement but in a reverse direction, like start here and then start here and here, then we will have to use this symbol. This symbol is used for hands swap. We can control the speed of the movements. We can make the movements in fast mode, slow mode. So for this, in the Hypnosis tool, we have these symbols. With the star symbol, this symbol, we can make the movements fast. With this symbol, we can make the movements in slow mode. This symbol can make the movement in tense mode. If we want to stop the movements at the starting mode, then we will have to use this symbol. And if we want the movement sudden stop, then we will have to use this symbol. But these all the symbols will be used with the symbols of direction movements. First we will have to use the direction movements, then we will have to use these symbols. Look at this example. This movements in downward direction but in fast mode. In this example, movement will be start in downward direction but in slow mode. Movements of fingers. When we want movements of the only movements of the fingers, and then we will have to use this symbol. This symbol is known as a finger play. By using this symbol, only fingers will be moved. Wrist movements. The wrist can move vertically, means up to down by using this symbol, and move horizontally, right to left by using this symbol. These symbols can also be used for head nodding, like example, yes, no. So for these signs, we can use these movements. Simultaneous movements. Simultaneous movements must be enclosed in square brackets. For example, this is a circular movements, and with this symbol is forward movements enclosed in square brackets. In this example, hand swap, hand will be swapped because this is a arm replace symbol. This symbol means change the hand shape, and this is the movements enclosed in square brackets. Change in the shape or orientation of the hand. The change in the hand shape or orientation, either from the direction of the base of index finger or palm orientation, is indicated by this symbol. This symbol is known as a arm replace, introducing the left side of the arrow shape, original orientation, and to the right side of the form final orientation. Hand shape changes. Hand shape changes. This symbol is arm replace and this symbol is arm increase. This symbol allow Hypnosis and transcribe those signs where the hand shape change from the fist, open hand, or vice versa, extending or bending the fingers one by one after another, starting with fifth finger, or the thumb according to the command entered. Look at the example. This symbol is arm fist symbol. first hand in feast mode, with thumb is open mode. But why using this symbol? This symbol is harm replace. This means that hand shape will be changed. We can change orientation also, but here hand shape is changed. This is a harm increase. Harm increase, this symbol means one by one hand will be open, fingers will be open. But here shape of hand is in feast mode, thumb already in open mode. So first will be index finger, means to say second finger extend first, then third, fourth and fifth. In this example, this is a feast mode, hand is in feast mode and thumb is cross mode. And harm replace, harm increase symbol, this means that firstly thumb extend first, then second finger, third, fourth and fifth. One by one will be fingers will be extended. Same these examples. Parenthesis, this symbol is a sequence. Parenthesis, square brackets, fusion used when alternatives are acceptable. This is a either or. Overview of symbols for 200s. These are the symmetry symbols, 8 symbols, contact symbols, alternate movements, non-dominant hand, when no movements is performed. This is a harm plus sign symbol, means when both hands show different sign. 200 signs are denoted by the symbol of symmetry at the beginning. 200 signs are represented by both hands of the signer with manual and non-manual components. 200 signs further categorize type 0 and type 1. In the type 0, when both hands are active, and type 1, when only dominant hand is more active as compared to the non-dominant hand. Look at the picture. This is alphabet T, both 100 signs. When welding sign with both hands, but hand shape, orientation, location and movements for each hands we will have to define. If behavior both hands same, then in hypnosis for the sign we will have to use only symmetry operator in preceding mode. Look at the example. Here we use only symmetry operator. The same, this is the same. Here we use symmetry operator plus square brackets. This example is identical with this example. We can also use only simple symmetry operator. We can also define it with the use of the harm plus mode. But we will use only symmetry operator without square brackets when both hand shapes, orientation, palm orientations are same. But when some aspects hand behave differently, this should be indicated by entering a description hypnosis between two brackets separated by this symbol. This symbol is harm plus symbol. The description of the dominant hand is on the left of this symbol and the non-dominant of the hand in this this symbol is harm plus on the right side. In this examples, use symmetry operator plus square brackets. In this example, both hands, look at the picture, both hand shapes are different. Here use second, third spread mode. Here finger numbers are specified. This is a flat hand symbol. Orientations, locations and movements specified. This is a formal look of the hypnosis symbols for 200 signs. And these are the symmetry operators, parentheses, Non-dominant sign. If the sign is performed by the non-dominant hand, this is non-dominant hand symbol, proceed by the symbol for the handshake. In this example, a person uses his left hand to sign bend. This is a formal lookout of the hypnosis symbols for non-manual. For body movements, body can move left, rotate, turn left, right, backward, forward. Similarly, shoulders, for these symbols, shoulder movements, head movements, nose movements, eye gaze movements, eyelids movements. Eyes can be like eyelids can be shut mode, wide mode, only one eye closed, both eyes blinking. Non-manual signs. Face expression refers to the top of the face, so that the representation of the most grammatical expressions like cautions, conditions, negations, etc., placed on it, while the mouth is devoted primarily to the lexical expressions. Face expressions include head movements, shoulder movements, face expressions, eyebrows expressions are known as a non-manual signs. These non-manual signs are helpful to fill the gap between the language of normal people and hearing impaired people. Look at the pictures. This picture shows that this person has a headache. Uh, from the face, this is a non-manual signs. Eyebrows are thrown up. Face can be defined the direction of gaze and the gestures made with the nose, eyebrows, eyelids. That is every face expression except through the mouth. Here is the group and codification. For teeth, we will have to use D codification. For yaw, J. Lips, L. For cheeks, we will have to use C. Tongue, T. Next is eyebrows expressions. The gestures made with the eyebrows, nose, eyelids may be part of complex face expressions. For example, the expressions fear, angry, happy, etc. For these, the codifications, look at this example. FU, this means that frown up. Eyebrows, frown up. RL means only left eye, eyebrow lift. RR means right eyebrow lift. RB means both eyebrows raised. And these movements are static. Eyelids movements, WB, means both eyelids in open mode. WR means a right eye wide open. WL means left eye wide open. SB means both eyelids almost closed. And CB means both eyes closed. And SR means only right eyelid in a closed mode. And SL means left eye almost closed. And CR means right eyelid closed, and CL means left eyelid closed. And TB means both eyelids tightly closed, and TR means only right eyelids closed, tightly in tight mode, and TL means both left eyelid in tightly closed mode, and BB means flashing. This is a dynamic sign. Look at the pictures. This the non-manual sign, eyelids movements, both eyes close. Here body movement, rotate right, rotate left. Head movement, shift right. Head movement, push in backward direction, can be moved, also can be moved push forward direction. Signal is a signing gesture markup language that is used to represent hypnosis symbol. The Hamnosis symbols are described in the form an XML tag for each word. It provides many tools to display the sign of input Hamnosis code in the form of animated figures and animated videos for communication purpose. Hamnosis notation of sign language represented Signal, which is readable by software named 3D rendering. These are the avatar animations, virtual characters that display the signs. Let's take a look on tool which we are working. This is a formal lookout of tool. Look at the example. Human gesture and avatar Luna display the sign alphabet B. Now I want to show how make it in the Hamnosis tool, the same symbol alphabet B. Now I am showing you practically. Now look at the tool. First we will use symmetry operator. Because both hands are used. Then follow structure. According to structure of Hamnosis, first we used symmetry we use symmetry operator. Then we will use hand shape, this hand shape, then hand orientation. Hand is in upward, both hands in upward direction. Then select palm orientation. Then we will select touch symbol. Both hands touch symbol in square brackets. This is the palm tip. This symbol is palm plus symbol. Palm tip. Now close bracket. Then we will have to use contact symbol, palm contact symbol, touch symbol. Then specify the location, shoulder location. Then click on display signal. This is a signal text. Now click on play signal text. Avatar will show alphabet B. This is the alphabet B. Now we want save this file. Then first select Hamnosis symbols. Put these symbols in comment tag. And here write the name of alphabet B and save this file name with dot extension signal. Now click on create file. Download ready. Now file is downloaded. Thanks for watching.